Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi everyone, my name is Pragati Jadhav, first year diploma of Civil Department from ZIL Institute Polytechnic Nare Pune. Name of mini project is Elasticity versus Temperature, and the project by Pragati Bharat Jadhav and Praveen Nagnath Sangve, and the guide by Professor Wakchore sir. Abstract. The object. The purpose of my project to determine the effect of different temperatures on the elasticity of rubber bands. Rubber bands come from and is collected is one way to natural rubber is taken from a tree called Herbal Biseliensis which originated in the Amazon rainforest. In 1876, H.A. Wickman brought seeds of the herbs their tree from Brazil to Kew Gardens, which was near London. The seeds were then given to India, Ceylon, British Malaya, and other countries. The tree takes about 5 years to grow from seeding to a point that it can start to produce rubber. It has a lifespan of about 25 to 30 years. Purpose: to compare the height of rubber band when stretched before and after exposed to various temperature. Hypothesis: hypothesize that if the rubber band is stretched after being exposed to hotter temperature, the height of its stretch will be bigger than after it has been exposed to color temperature. Materials: rubber band, hot water, pot, refrigerator, ruler, and hook. Procedure: take out rubber band from the box and group them into three for 3 trials at each temperature. Place the first 3 rubber band in a from temperature for 10 minutes. This will be the main temperature for the experiment. Take one rubber band from the 3 and cut it at a point. Take a hook and attach to the edge of a surface. Tie one end of the rubber band and attach to the hook and attach the other end to a weight. Wait till the band stop moving and still then measure the band after stretch within a 30 cm ruler. Second, the height and write it on a sheet of paper so that you don't not to forget. Then take out the next 2 rubber band from the room temperature setting and repeat the steps. Repeat step 2 and 8 for the rubber band in boiling water and the freezer. Record the average height of the rubber band for all 3 trials for each temperature settings. Compare the average height of the rubber band when they were placed in a refrigerator and boiling water to the band placed in a room temperature. Observe the what difference you will see height stretch of the rubber band for all of the above trials. And this is the graph of modulus of elasticity versus temperature. Observation. Conclusion. In conclusion, rubber band when placed in arm temperature stretch more. But when rubber band placed in a cool temperature, the rubber band will stretch less. I hypothesize that the rubber band would stretch more when heated and less when cooled. That exactly what happened. The average height of the band when heated was much higher than when they cooler. Thank you.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.